how to make a custom registration form on WordPress. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Complete Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to make a custom registration form on WordPress. To accomplish this task, you will need to install a plugin called Forminator. Here's how you can do it. Click on plugin option in the left sidebar and then select add new. In the search bar, type Forminator. From the search results, use the Forminator plugin and click on Install Now button. Once the plugin is installed, click on Activate button. Now find the Forminator option in the left sidebar. Once you are in Forminator, click on the Create button in the Forms section. If you want to create a form from scratch, select Blank. Alternatively, you can choose a template by clicking on Registration. Then click on the Continue option. Here you can customize your registration form. You will see some predefined fields like username, email, and password. If you want to add other fields, simply click on the Insert Field option. Here you can select your desired field. For example, if you want to add a phone number field, select it and click Insert Field. You can further customize your field. If you want to make a field required, click on the setting and choose required. You can also specify any required information in this section. In the style section, you can adjust the field appearance, and in the visibility, you can set where the field will be visible. Finally, click apply. If you need to change the position of a field, simply select it and drag it to the desired location. Finally, to preview your registration form, click on the preview option at the top. That's all. Don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Your comments and input means a word for me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.